Now I should talk a bit about group souls. Where do these energy bodies come from? Well, all of each individual's energy bodies are drawn from kind of a holding tank, you might call it, which I've chosen to call the group soul. Don't know whether what its official name is, but it might be something on the order of families. Apparently, there are 2,750 of these group souls in use in all the universes. You are drawn entirely from one of those group souls. Each person is drawn entirely from one of those group souls. And those group souls are massive, and they have apparently subpots that are human, that are say human, the pot that's human, and the pot that's they may have pots for a variety of animals. They may have pots for a variety of plants. The angels also are carried are from the group souls, and you remain in the same group soul for your entire existence. Now, some group souls are more common than others. I seem to be from the most common group soul on Earth, and it's, roughly 22% of all the beings on Earth are from the same group soul as I am. This group soul that I'm in apparently has normally is about 90% male and 10% female. The next most common one, I believe, is a little over 20% of all the people on Earth, and that one is about 90% female and 10% male, in the way that they incarnate. There are others that are like 70-30. There are in particular directions. There are others that are close to 50-50 male-female, and there may be other genders. The ones that I seem to understand exist are male, female, neither, and both. And apparently there's variance in those. So there are, and this seems to, these group souls seem to exist throughout the whole of creation, however big creation is. Got some ideas on that. I'll handle those another time. But these group souls are the drawing pots from which the higher self, pieces of God, which are in the healing business called the group souls, are drawing the souls, drawing the energy bodies to fill the souls and make the new people out of. And the process whereby that the drawing is done, and the exact mechanism of it, I am not certain. The souls are put together. There's apparently a list of possible assignments by priority where this person goes, this soul goes. So if there is an abortion, if there is some reason where pregnancy, for instance, does not work out, or is not started, or is aborted, or something happens, this soul will go on to assignment 2, or wherever, however far down the list it goes. It is not destroyed. It is matter. Nothing is ever lost unless it is supposed to get lost. If it is destroyed, it is destroyed on purpose. Nothing is lost. There is apparently a class or a job of certain angels that act as holding bins for group souls in between assignments. Seems to be something like a monastic order within the angels. There are many jobs within the angel world. The group souls are very large. 22% of all the people on Earth. That's a lot of group. That is a lot of people. Remember, we're not just talking people here. We're talking angels. We're talking, I don't know, a wide variety of animals. We're talking trees, plants, paramecium, germs. We're talking a wide variety of things. Bees, insects. A colony of bees is one individual in many bodies, for instance, and so forth. And I think that kind of that sort of system is used for things like, say, algae, too. And I don't know how big a plot of grass you have to have one energy body in it. And the energy bodies are sliced into ones that are intelligent, and I don't know how many orders of intelligence there are. And those are not that are not classed as intelligent. And it's possible for things to evolve from the non-intelligent side to the intelligent side. I think that not all of the 2,750 group souls are in use on Earth at this point. I once got a number, but I I'll have to look it up again. Have to find it again. I think it was something like 2,200 and some. I think. But don't hold me to that one. I'm not quite certain I remember it right. So there are all these families.